Good afternoon, all of you. I am Professor Chavan Vidi from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Karmur Bharav Patil Institute of Management Studies and Research Varai Satara. Today we are going to discuss about VI Editor. VI Editor in Linux operating system. VI Editor is the text editor. A text editor is one of the most essential tools provided with the Linux operating system. With the editor, you can create and modify text files that have the variety of applications, system files, shell programs, documents, mail messages. Basically, editors enable you to insert, delete, move, and search the text ranging from the individual character to thousands of lines. Two of the most popular editors for the Linux system are Emacs and VI Editor. VI Editor. VI Editor is the basic text editor that is an acronym of Visual Editor and was originally written by Bill Joy in the 1976. Basically, there are three types of editors available in Unix. These are named as ED, EX, and VI. The ED is the line editor and is just like inline program in the DOS. The EX editor is the advanced version of the ED that is the more user friendly compared to the other editors. The VI is the screen editor and comparable or EX it is the quite better. What is VI editor? The visual editor on the Linux. The VI editor comes with every version of the Linux or Unix. Using VI is similar to using other editors in that you can see your file on the screen. The VI editor is the most popular editor in the Linux. The current version is really VIM, but to invoke it simply type VI. Before VI, the primary editor used on the Unix or the line editor, users was able to see edit only one line of the text at a time. The VI editor is not a text formatter like MS Word, WordPerfect, etc. You cannot set the margins, center headings, etc. Starting VI, the type VI file name at the shell promote. After pressing enter the command, promote disappears and you see tilde character on all the lines. These tilde characters indicate that the line is the blank. Starting VI, there are following way you can start the using VI editor. Command VI create the unnamed file VI file name. This command used for the create the new file if it already does not exist. Otherwise, open the existing file. A vi-r file name or view file name. This command are used for open the existing file in read only mode. Vi plus n file name. This command is used for where n represent the line number where the vi will place its cursor in the file name. History of VI editor. Although other stories exist, the true one tells that VI was originally written by Bill Joy in the 1976. Who is the Bill Joy, you'd ask? He co-founded Sun Microsystems in 1982 and served as the chief scientist until the 2003. Characteristics of VI editor. The VI editor is the different characteristics like a very powerful. It is the hard to learn, especially for Windows users. Move from point to point in the file and make the changes available on all Unix systems. VI editor different modes. In VI editor there are the different modes: command mode, insert mode, and EX mode. Command mode. This mode enables you to perform the administrative tasks such as the saving files, executing the commands, moving the cursor, cutting and pasting the lines or words, and finding and replacing. In this mode, whatever you type is interpreted as the command. Next mode is the insert mode. In this mode, enables you to insert the text into the file Everything that's typed in this mode is interpreted as the input and finally it is put in the file. Last one mode is EX mode. In EX mode, the user is permitted to give the commands at the last line known as the command line. This mode promotes the user to file handling like as the saving the file or exit the editor with or without saving the file. Command mode accessed by the typing ESC. In this mode, all the keys pressed by the user are interpreted to the editor command. In input mode, accessed by typing the I, this mode permits the insertion of the new text, editing of the existing text, or replacement of the existing text. EX mode is the last line mode. The bottom line of the VI screen is called the EX mode. When you start the VI, by default it is in command mode. You exit the input mode by pressing the ESC key, escape key, the ESC key to get back to the command mode. This is the diagram of different modes of VI editor: command mode, input mode, last line mode. For the insertion purpose of data, use the small I or capital I. For appending purpose, small a or capital A used. For opening the file purpose, you can use the small o or capital O. For changing the file, use the small c. For the replacement, you can use the small or capital R in the command or in the terminal of the Linux operating system. Starting VI, run VI by giving the command $vi or the VI file name. Exiting VI for Q quite out of the VI. Q lets you exit the VI without saving any of the changes, and WQ to write and quit. Replacing text, different commands are used. C for change to the end of the line from the current cursor position. Capital R used for replace the character on the screen with the set of characters entered ending with the escape key. Capital S are used for change an entire line. Small c used for change the until CC changes the current line, the count changes that many lines. Small r used for the replace the one character under the cursor. Specify the count to replace the number of characters. Small s are used for substitute one character under the cursor and go into the insert mode. Specify the count to substitute the number of characters. A dollar sign will be put at the last character to be substituted. Common VI commands: moving the cursor position. You can move the around only when you are in the command mode. Arrow keys usually works but may not. The standard key for moving the cursor are small h for the left side, small l for the right side, small j for the down, and small k for the upward. Small w to move one word forward, small b used for to move one word backward, and dollar used for takes you to the end of the line, and in angle bracket enter word used for takes the current the beginning of the next line. Minus moves the cursor to the first character in the current line. Capital H used for take the cursor to the beginning of the current screen home position. Capital L used for move to the lower last line. Capital M command used for move to the middle line on the current screen. Control D command used for scroll the screen down half screen. Control U used for scroll the screen up half screen. Control F used for scroll the screen forward full screen, and Control B used for scroll the screen backward full screen. Inserting text. There are different commands used for inserting the text in VI editor. Small I used for insert the text before the cursor until escape key hit. Small l command used for insert the text at the beginning of current line until the escape key hit.